The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a flash flood warning for central Tensas Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northwestern Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, southwestern Warren County in west central Mississippi, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Vicksburg, St. Joseph, Buellton, Waterproof, Lake Bruin, Helena, Yokina and Laternal. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.